everybody, I am Joanna Nunez. So for today, we will talk about United Nations and contemporary global governance and global regions. So here are some questions that we are going to answer. So let's start. The first question is, discuss the power of international organization. There are three power of international organization. The first power is power of classification, a type of power demonstrated by the international organization to separate group of states according to their identity for proper organization and classifying rights of people. For example, if the group will not be classified, it will create confusion to the government and create trust in the state. The second power is power of fixed meaning. Different organization has different interpretation with the law or policy implemented by each organization. This is why we should know what organization we belong and what concern we want to adhere. In that way, we will easily understand policies and avoid misconceptions. So the third power is the power to diffuse norm. This type of power imposes values and standards that people should follow in order to have uniformity, and also it should be adopted by the people because it also for the good of themselves. They called missionary. So that is the three power of international organization: power of classification, power of fixed meaning, and the last is the power to diffuse. The second question is, discuss and differentiate comprehensively the organs of United Nations. So there are 5 organs of United Nations. The first organ is the General Assembly or GE. It is the main deliberative organs of United Nations, comprised of all states, currently at 193. Remember, 193 members to make decisions. Annually, the General Assembly elects a GE president to a 1-year term office. The function of General Assembly is to discuss, debate, make recommendation on pertaining to international peace and security, including development. So the second organ is the Security Council or SC. The Security Council has a primary responsible under the United Nations to maintain international peace and security. The Council has 15 members, and each member has 1 vote. All members are obligated to comply with Council decision. Third is the Economic and Social Council or ECOSOC. It is the UN's principal body for coordination, policy review, policy dialogue, and recommendation on social and environment. The Council has 54 members which are chosen for equal geographic representation. The fourth one is the International Court of Justice or ICJ. It is the UN's main judicial organ. The International Court of Justice composed of 15 judges elected to 9-year terms in office. And the last one is the Secretariat. The Secretariat is the United Nations executive arms. It has an Secretariat is made up of 10,000 of international staff working in UN headquarters. So that is the 5 organs of United Nations. The third question is under in global region. Discuss and differentiate comprehensively state regionalism and non-state regionalism. Regionalism, it is the coordination of countries in general phenomenon or may refer to a formal project, policy. It focuses on development of political or social system, and it aims to strengthen the constitutiveness of a loyal. On the other hand, non-state regionalism are individuals or organizations that have powerful economic, political, and social. The last question is, discuss individually comprehensive the following. NATO, also known as North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is established during the Cold War for military protection. OPEC, also known as Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, is established by the oil exporting countries to promote their resources. NAM, also known as Non-Aligned Movement. The purpose of this organization is to ensure the national independence, sovereignty, territorial ASEAN state regionalism in order to boost the economy of members countries.